Ready to save even more money than you see being listed here for hosting your web hosting? In this video, I'm providing you with a Hostinger coupon code that will get you a Hostinger discount, saving you money on your Hostinger hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name. You'll even save more than what you see being listed here on the Hostinger plans page, so be sure to watch till the end of the video so you can save the most money on your Hostinger hosting purchase. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Hostinger discount. I've included the Hostinger coupon code next to the link in the description that we'll be using later in the video. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. You'll save no matter the Hostinger hosting service you choose. Hostinger shared hosting, Hostinger WordPress hosting, Hostinger cloud hosting, Hostinger VPS hosting, and more. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger web hosting plans page. Click the claim deal button. You'll now be taken down to the Hostinger hosting plans. You'll get a greater discount than you see being listed here by using the Hostinger coupon code. The premium plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, standard performance, free email, weekly backups, unlimited free SSL, unlimited bandwidth. This plan includes a free domain name with annual terms and free domain WHOIS privacy protection. The business plan comes with 100 websites, increased performance by up to 5 times, 200 gigabytes of NVMe storage, daily backups, a bunch of managed WordPress extras, extras with the Hostinger website builder, and extras with security, plus everything the premium plan comes with. If you need even better performance, the Cloud Startup plan is a great plan to go with. The Cloud Startup plan comes with maximum performance up to 10 times, 300 websites, 200 gigabytes of NVMe storage, standard WooCommerce, priority support, plus all the features and extras that the business plan comes with. Click the Add to Cart button on the plan you want. I'll choose the premium plan for this tutorial. Now let's save even more than what you see being listed here. Scroll down to the total section. Click Have a Coupon Code. Enter the Hostinger coupon code I've included with the link in the description. I'll click Apply. I'll scroll up to the top and you'll now see the new Hostinger discount amount showing for all the terms. The free domain name or any domain name purchases are done after payment in the Hostinger panel. Enjoy your Hostinger coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostinger hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.